Hello everybody. Today I am going to give you the demonstration of sandpaper letters. Sandpaper letters are the letters which are mounted on a masonite board and the symbol of the alphabet is pasted on one side of the board. This is A and this is A. And you see the size of the board also changes according to the size of the alphabet. Since capitals are big, the board is big, and since the sounds are small in size, the board is also small in size. This is B and this is B. Now here you see that this mount board is in blue color, whereas this for B it's in pink color, because this is a vowel and this is a consonant. So consonants will always be mounted on a pink painted masonite board, whereas vowels will always be mounted on a blue surface. Okay. Now I'll tell you what are the basic benefits of giving the child the sandpaper letters and how the child is to be taught how he has to use these sandpapers, so that it helps him in the language basics of language development. So we assume over here that this demonstration is given on a chonky. So if this is my chonky and the child should be sitting next to me, I'll be doing the demonstration in the following way. I'll keep this card over here, hold this with my palm making an L over here, and I will be tracing this symbol of the alphabet with the help of these two fingers brought together. See, these two are to be brought together, and then the child is taught how to trace. So the child should be sitting next to me, though the other children will be sitting across me. Here I'll call one child and make him see the demonstration properly. Next, whenever he has to perform, he will perform sitting next to me, or he can take the alphabet card and go and sit across me and show how he's doing. Okay. So this is the way I'll keep my finger. Then I'll hold it with my another left palm like this, and when I'm tracing, I will do it like this and say A when I finish the tracing. Again I do it once again, this way, then this way, and say A. So when you are tracing this, you should do the tracing in the way you are going to write it when you are using the writing material. Okay. So the writing material the child will be using later. So here when he is using these two fingers, so whenever he has to pick up a writing material, suppose it is a chalk or a colored crayon, he just has to bring his thumb. So this tracing helps him to develop the tripod grip, means the pincer skills, and the shape of this particular alphabet gets embedded in his brain. So when he starts writing on the slate or on the sheet of paper, he just recalls the shape of this particular letter. So when the child is doing this activity of sandpaper letters, his three senses are coming together. When he is tracing, his tactile sense is developing. When he is seeing at it, it's his visual sense which is developing, and when he is saying the name of this particular alphabet, his auditory sense is also developing. So when a child is using the sandpaper, the three senses, the tactile sense, the visual sense and the auditory sense, all these three come in coordination with each other, and this activity has to be given when the child has done ample activities with EPL. His fine motor muscles have developed to some extent, then only you should give the sandpaper letters, and then carry on as the child wants to take up. Allow him to do this and give him ample practice. When you pick up the sound, again when he is tracing here with the tripod grip, here he will be doing like this and he will say A. So the sound for A and sound for A and the symbol for A and A, everything becomes clear to the child. So similarly you will be following with all the other alphabets. I will just show you for B and B. This is, he's tracing V. Then he picks up B. Now, if your school follows to the capital letters, then they will be doing capital letters before the sounds. But if a Montessori school follows only sounds, you have to give sounds before you go to the capitals. So this is all about the sandpaper letters. Hope you understood. Thank you for now. Okay.